Hello viewers, today I am gonna teach you the most important things about SEO, that how you can do SEO of your content like videos and on different video on different social media platforms. So without wasting a time, let's start it. So we will do the SEO of our content using only ChatGPT, because ChatGPT knows everything what we ask about anything. So without wasting our time, let's move towards our topic. So firstly, I will tell you that you need to write the you need to tell the ChatGPT that what are you going to ask from it. So I already wrote some things about my video. So I will ask ChatGPT that I am going to upload a video on a YouTube. The title of my video is how to make a Fiverr account. So I will copy the same context simply, then paste it in the ChatGPT. I will ask simply ChatGPT that give me the description of the video. Give me the description of the video. So I will enter. So as you can see that ChatGPT give me the most beautiful and well formed description about our video. So the next thing, the most important thing to boost the video, that are the tags. So I will ask ChatGPT that give me the related tags of the video. So without wasting our time, ChatGPT give us the tags about of our videos. So the third thing which is very most important about to viral of our content, that is a hashtag. So I will ask ChatGPT to give the most ranking hashtags. So as you can see that ChatGPT generate a lot of hashtags. So as you want to generate a more hashtags, more vast description, or most tags, so you can just tell the ChatGPT to elaborate it. So that is for today. I hope you can get more information from this video, and pray for me to success in this journey. Thank you for watching this video.